Chill. Look, this ain't the madness, motherfucker. Yeah, chaotic. Huh? Let's go. Chill. Look. Chill. Look. Chill. I'm from the land of the lost. Better back for a pat idiot with a motherfucking axe. He's a brother chop a rapper in half. Shoot him in broad day. At the mass, without the mass, and bounce back. Cause I'm out to trash. You loud to rap. Back in the day, who the fat infected? I one day kidnap, mutilate, torture, then master the rap. Say I studied the dark arts. My bars got 1 or 2 dark parts. Wanna rip you from the limb, toe from chin, but can't figure out where I'm gonna start. Some things ain't seeming the same. Some people things seem in the range. Point blank range, feed them the flames. Girlfriend's a zombie, eating the brain. Niggas and dogs got them seeing these things. Slipping back in the habit of hacking. In fact, it's a habit of hatching when I'm attacking the rap with a murderous passion. But they look right past them. Trying to be the next victim to get his neck slit. Speak reckless, and I'll run it while you eat breakfast. Let the bell kick your chest in. Watch your head spin off your shoulders. So, nigga only assume, cause I really don't know. Cause I wipe it in my life, I really been broke. So I ride through the night and get a hustle off dope. Get the job done, lay low, the high for the pole. Make a couple of calls. Some forfeit folk tell me need a salt talk, a little bit of rope then. Meet me in the cuss with the corn cob grow. Hit you with a pump, if thinking I'm a bitch, faster than the blink of an eye with a squeeze in the street. Turned that it was an enemy, I thought it was a friend trying to get me for my money and he going from a bitch. Should've been known I ain't taking this shit, not to see through the lies like a hole in the fence. Motherfuckers a snake, a rat, still living pinch, so I'm better off if I had any sense. Yeah. Chill. So I'm better off than them if I had any sense. Yeah. They call me garbage to get some white trash. I grew up in the tin can. My life been hella hard, but I got hard. I ain't no tin man. Been stuck behind that razor wire. Been caged up like a rabid dog. Been shunned by most of my friends and family. Get looked at upon cause all my flaws. Been taught in my life I wouldn't amount to shit. Won't make them music, people doubting it. All I am is a piece of shit backward bone with nothing to say that's even relevant. But I've told you here lately I don't give a fuck. What you say, what you think, you can lick my nuts and fuck anyone who's ever died to me. You just give me the drive to never give this up. I guess you must really not know me. Homes is red run when I snap, you can call me the white bone. Told the motherfucker that I really want to be the motherfucker, now we gotta go and run up in their home. Huh? Get some. This ain't the madness, motherfucker. Chaotic.